Hey everybody, this video brings us out to the Washington Memorial Chapel here in Valley Forge, Pennsylvania. Sean is reading the sign there. It says nothing about filming. Apparently filming is a-okay. So we are here on this very gloomy, rainy day that hopefully will not be getting rainwater. I think we got some rainwater there. Rainwater all over the camera. I'll probably be doing that multiple times throughout this video because it is definitely raining. The rain stopped. Thought we were okay for coming out, and then when we got here, it started raining again. So we're gonna deal with it. We're gonna suck it up. We're gonna hopefully not get completely drenched.
Did you make a video on that?
Oh, we are gonna make a video on that. Yeah, there's something really cool over here I want to show you guys. So we're here at the Washington Memorial Chapel Cemetery. This is actually a really, really awesome cemetery. If you're into cemeteries, I kind of recommend. It's raining harder now. I kind of recommend coming out here and checking this place out. It's really cool just to walk around. Maybe on a day not so much like today where it's raining and disgusting out, but on a nice warm or semi-warm spring, fall, summer day, come out here, check this place out. Really cool to walk around. It's a part of it's actually not part of Valley Forge National Historical Park, but it's sort of still in Valley Forge National Historical Park. But anyway, so awesome place. I kind of want to see. I don't want to see what's over here yet. I kind of want to walk around and show you guys the cemetery more. Maybe someday we'll come out here and do like a whole video just walking around, showing you guys the cemetery and all the cool stuff, because there's so many cool little gravestones like this one here, this angel or cherub or whatever it is.
It's definitely cold out here.
It's not that cold. It's it's raining.
If I'm stepping around, it's like my feet are so cold.
Are your feet getting wet?
Yeah,
It's because your feet are getting wet.
I know.
You gotta step like this in the grass, and then your feet won't get as wet. Anyway, so there are a lot of really cool graves around here. Maybe, like I said, someday we'll come back out here on a better day, walk around, and I'll show you guys all the cool graves out here. But we're here to check out one specific awesome grave. This is a grave that I actually was out here to see right when it first was put in place. And I thought this was really awesome. And my wife and I were standing here and checking this out. And we ended up actually meeting the mother of this boy. Check out this gravestone, this burial site here. This is for David Alex Nimmerfroth. If I'm saying that right, I might be pronouncing his last name wrong. In fact, I'm probably pronouncing his last name wrong. So this is a grave that a mother put here for her son. Like I said, I was out here right when this was first put out here. We were just kind of driving through the cemetery. I saw this and I had to pull over and check it out. This was back in, I'm guessing 2007, I guess that would have been. And we were out here, we saw this, my wife and I pulled over, we got out here, we walked over to this grave, we decided to check it out. And as we're standing here, just looking at it, seeing all the interesting things, reading it and whatnot, a lady comes walking over to us and she says hello, introduces herself, and turns out it was actually the mother of the son of David. It was David's mother, and she was super polite, super nice. We were talking about her son. She told me all about him and what he was into and why they did this grave for him, and she told me the whole story about her son. And she, again, super nice lady. I was telling her how I thought her like what she did for her son was super awesome, and this is super cool. And when I pass away, I'm hoping maybe I'll have a cool like VHS gravestone or something like that. This is really neat. So David was into, obviously, the drums, as you can see, because that's what this is. It's a drum kit. I mean, how cool is that? I mean, this is a drummer's. This is Dave Grohl's dream right here, to be buried with an amazing drum set headstone. I mean, they got the actual metal cymbals. People have come out here and left things for him. Like there's some actual drumsticks here. They've put a bunch of stickers on the back here. Clearly, he was into surfing. There's some Ron John stuff and some other surf things, and Keep Life Wild. So all kinds of surfing stuff, obviously in the Dave Matthews Band. So really awesome that Dave was into drumming. He was into surfing. I believe they said he actually had a Dalmatian or a little puppy or something like that. She was telling me, and clearly he was into hockey as well. I guess that's maybe just David's trophy. Doesn't actually have a name on it, but I'm guessing maybe that's David's hockey trophy. There's a Phantom's hockey puck down there, which is really awesome. A seashell. Again, I think he was into surfing. This says OC 2006. Maybe his puppy passed away as well. I don't remember. I remember her saying something about having a puppy, but I don't remember what exactly the story with that was. But there's David right there. There he is with his drum. Okay, there's him with his drum sets, and there's him with his dog. Different dog. I believe that's a Cocker Spaniel. That looks like a puppy Dalmatian, but still you get the idea. So what's it say? So many drums, so little times. So many drums, so little time. It's all about the beat. So David Alex Nimmerfroth, am I saying that right? December 19th, 1985. He was 3 years younger than me. To June 6th, 2007. Beloved son, brother, uncle, grandson, Freckles' buddy. So I guess the dog was named Freckles, and friend. We love you and miss you so very much. You will be forever in our hearts. It says, "On the mother's love is eternal. If tears could build a stairway and memories a lane, I'd walk right up to heaven and bring you home again." Oh, that's sweet. This one is a little hard to read. If every tear we shed for you became a star above, you'd stroll in angels garden lit by everlasting love. I believe that says. That one's really hard to read. And we love you, Uncle Dave, Preston. All that's sweet with his little handprint. So I guess his nephew did that. That's really cool. Got the American flags. Just a really interesting grave. It's really cool to see the family do this for their son. Unfortunately, passed away way too young, at a very young age. Sad to see that. That's something you never want to see. I don't remember how he passed away. In fact, I don't think I ever asked. I mean, that's not something that's polite. When I was talking to the mother, I don't think she told us, and I don't think I asked. So I'm not sure, but it is really sad to see somebody pass away at such a young age. But it is really cool to see a family come out here and make this amazing gravestone, this amazing gravesite for their son, who clearly had a lot of things he was very much into, a lot of things he was very much passionate about, including the drums and his dog and his surfing. Again, I hope for my gravestone to have VHS tapes and maybe what else do we need? We need some Jar Jar Binks and some Spice Girls and some Figment, and I want a full life-size Laura Dern in a bikini sitting on top of my gravestone. Can I get that? You think? The mommy would be okay with that? Probably not. In fact, the cemetery that I will eventually be buried in doesn't have full upright headstones. We have those little flat ones. I can get that engraved. I want a VHS at least engraved onto my flat little headstone. That's what I want. So again, very cool. The grave of David Alex Nimmerfroth, which I'm again probably saying wrong. Leave comments down below if you actually know how to pronounce that name, if I am right or I am wrong. I wonder if anybody's actually come out here. I mean, I would never do it. It'd be really rude, but I wonder if anybody's actually ever come out here and sat down and, taken the sticks and played a little something. I mean, they're not real drums. That's granite or whatnot. But these are actually like real metal cymbals. So you could come out here and you could maybe play a little something on here. I mean, I'm not going to do it because that'd be rude to do, but the sticks are out here. I could see somebody coming out here sing this and be like sitting down on the chair right there. Is that actually, that might be a snare drum. I don't think there actually is a chair. Snare. What's that? A floor tom, kick drum, right? And then the other things whose names I don't know. So I guess there's really no chair, but you could just stand here. Is that a very loud motorcycle? So you could just stand here and play some drums, hit the cymbals. Again, not going to do it, but the sticks are here. It'd be interesting to see somebody come out here, maybe somebody who actually knows drumming, to come out here and try to play a little something. If this was my grave and somebody who actually, I don't want somebody coming out here who doesn't know what they're doing, just goofing around, but if an actual real drummer saw this and sat down and started playing a little something on my gravestone, I'd be completely 100% okay with that. Dave Grohl came out here and started playing something on the drum set. I'd be totally 100% okay with that. Dave Grohl, come out here, play something on Dave Grohl, play something on David Nimroth's drum set. I would love to see that someday here at the Valley Forge, or I guess the Washington Memorial. It's called Washington Memorial Chapel graveyard here at Valley Forge. I think this graveyard actually has a name. I don't think it's actually called the Washington Memorial Graveyard. I don't know. We'll find out. Leave comments down below. I'll let you guys know about that. But anyway, it is the graveyard here at the Washington Memorial Chapel in Valley Forge, Pennsylvania, at the Valley Forge National Historical Park. Not actually apparently considered part of the park, but it's still sort of like within park boundaries and on park property. So very awesome, very cool. And I'm now noticing, I don't know if this has anything to do with the grave at all, but I'm noticing somebody back here put some wind chimes on this tree. Looks like maybe a bird feeder up there as well. So I don't know if that was David's family who did that. It's right behind his grave. No idea if they're responsible for that or not, but it's cool to have some wind chimes out here as well while you're while you're paying respects. That's what I'll say, while you're paying respects to your son, to your son, brother, uncle, grandson, and Freckles buddy, and your friend, David Alex Nimroth. Coolest grave I've ever seen in my entire life. Coolest tombstone I've ever seen. I've never seen anything this amazing before. That's awesome. But all right, guys, like I said, we've been out for 10 minutes now. Our feet are wet. It is raining. It's a little chilly. I'm gonna go back to the car. So just want to bring you guys out here, show you guys this cool gravestone. It's pretty awesome. If you're out here in Valley Forge, come out to the Washington Memorial Chapel. Check out the cemetery, the graveyard that's right behind the chapel, and say hello to David. Be respectful. Don't, unless you're a drummer, don't play his drums. But just come out here and show your respect to an amazing man, amazing boy, who unfortunately, like I said, passed away way too young, but whose family is totally awesome and did something very nice for him after his passing. So all right, guys, that's it. So as always, thank you so much for checking out this video. Be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and of course, check down below for links to Patreon, Spreadshirt, and all my stores. Also check down below for a link to Cinema Sickness, my other channel, where I do daily videos on thrifting. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.